Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2015 Chevrolet Equinox in an LT trim and powered by a 2.4-liter Ecotec engine, providing you with excellent fuel efficiency for getting around. And you do have vent shades on the windows, which are always a nice accessory to have, but let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back, we have a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. And underneath this hatch, you have your spare tire and some other room for tools and whatnot. Seats can also always be folded down for some extra room, and you have a 12-volt power outlet right there. And then looking in the back seat, we have seating for three comfortably with fold-out armrests and two cup holders in the middle, as well as having a 12-volt power outlet right there. And this vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 126,041 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls. Then moving up to your screen here, your controls to cycle through information are here in the center, but you can cycle through your digital speedometer, your trip 1 and 2 information, your distance to empty, fuel economy, average vehicle speed, trip timer, navigation, and then you can also cycle through your service info such as tire pressures, oil life, and some other stuff, your units of measurement. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is, let's see here, it is radio, Sirius, CD, USB, and Bluetooth, I believe, so you do have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. Do also have auxiliary, so that's nice too. But then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, which is always nice. But then moving down from that, you have your media controls, of course, your central locking and hazards, child locks, and your climate controls here. Pretty simple. Do also have heated front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. But then moving down from that, you have a cubby area here with another 12-volt power outlet in there, so you can plug something in to power or charge. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your eco mode, so you can save some fuel there. And you do have 2 cup holders, your traction control shut off, another cubby, and your center compartment / armrest here, which opens up and is very spacious, has a removable tray, and USB and your auxiliary inside, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio that way. But then, last but not least, you do also have a power moonroof up top, so you can land the sunshine on a nice sunny day. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.